Insomnia. How to make honey remedies to help you fall asleep naturally. Honey remedies have been used as a popular way to induce sleep for thousands of years. An ancient Chinese saying calls for eating honey every night, and European folk healers have recommended drinking a cup of warm milk with a teaspoon of honey before bedtime since the Middle Ages. Another old-fashioned honey and sleep remedy is to take 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar with 2 teaspoons of honey in a glass of warm water before bedtime, while traditional Mexican healers have long prescribed a teaspoon of raw honey in a cup of warm tea de manzanilla, or chamomile tea. Variations that are said to induce sleep include a teaspoon of honey in a cup of hot water, a teaspoon of honey in a cup of passionflower tea, or simply a smear of honey on a peanut butter sandwich before bedtime. Natural remedies for chronic insomnia. Honey and sleep go hand in hand. Here are some additional recipes. 1. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to 1 cup of warm chamomile, orange blossom, lemon balm, or linden flower tea. Drink before bedtime. 2. Add 2 teaspoons of honey to 1 cup of warm milk. Drink before bedtime. 3. Prepare 1/2 glass of orange juice diluted with an equal amount of lukewarm water. Add 2 teaspoons of honey, and drink just before bedtime. 4. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to a cup of warm peppermint tea. A clove can be added if desired. 5. Combine 2 ounces of honey with 5 drops of lavender oil. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of this mixture to a warm tub of water and enjoy a relaxing soak for 10 to 15 minutes.